Is your business shrinking because you don't understand your true market size? You're not alone. Many businesses fail, not because their product is bad, but because they're guessing about their market instead of knowing it. Today, let's fix that. So, what exactly are industry trends and market size? In the simplest terms, it's understanding how your market is shifting, whether it's growing, shrinking, or changing, and how many real customers are out there for you. It's like having a map and a compass for your business journey, guiding you toward the best opportunities. Think of it this way: running a business without knowing your industry trends and market size is like planning an outdoor wedding without checking the weather forecast. Smart businesses, like smart planners, always check the forecast before making big moves. Let's make it real with a true story. In 2008, during the financial crisis, the founders of Airbnb noticed something big. Through market research, they realized more people were looking for cheaper ways to travel. Hotels were too expensive, but people had spare rooms in their homes. They saw that the market size for budget-friendly, home-based accommodations was about to explode. They didn't wait. They pivoted fast, built a platform connecting hosts and travelers, and turned Airbnb into a company now valued at over $100 billion. So, how do you actually use this knowledge? It's simple. Step 1. Regularly track market reports, industry news, and trend forecasts. Step 2. Analyze if your market is growing, shrinking, or shifting into new areas. Step 3. Look for new customer needs and hidden opportunities. Step 4. Adjust your product, your marketing, and your business strategies based on what you find. And Step 5. Keep doing it, because markets don't stand still, and neither should you. I've prepared a free Ultimate Market Research Guide, step-by-step roadmap you can follow to do your own market research like a pro. Download the PDF, links in the description. Traditional market research is powerful, but often slow, expensive, and limited. This is where AI makes a real difference. AI-powered tools can analyze customer sentiment in real time, forecast market trends using live data, monitor competitor moves instantly, generate professional reports at the click of a button, and send real-time alerts when the market shifts. It's like putting your market research on autopilot, faster, smarter, and always up to date. And here's the best part: it's cost-effective. Tracking trends and market size means you avoid wasting money on the wrong products, wrong customers, and wrong markets. Studies show that businesses who do this grow 20 to 30% faster. With affordable tools and smart strategies, the return on investment is massive. But beware, there are common mistakes to avoid. First, don't just look at what's happening now. Focus on where things are headed. Second, don't ignore small signals. Big shifts often start small. Third, don't get overwhelmed by data. Focus on insights you can act on. And lastly, don't copy your competitors blindly. Customize your moves to fit your unique market and audience. Here's some wisdom from business legend Peter Drucker. Understanding industry trends and market size is like having a crystal ball for your business. It shows you where the world is going and how big your opportunity can be. And the best part? You can start seeing quick wins immediately. Gain instant clarity on your market today. Make better decisions based on real data. Spot opportunities faster than your competition. And move with confidence, knowing you're backed by real insights, not guesswork. Now you know the power of market research. With Deepbeez, you don't just research. You get answers instantly. Stop guessing. Start growing.